Hi, let's study honor and negotiations today. Firstly, what is honor? Honor means it is to pay at sight or to incur a deferred payment undertaking or to accept the bill of exchange. Pay at sight means what? When the bill of exchange drawn under the LC is of sight, then we have to pay. That issuing bank or the confirming or the negotiating bank has to pay immediately. Even the confirming bank, once it confirms and if sight bill is presented, then it has to pay. What is acceptance bill of exchange? Means usance. C part. When a future date is given on the bill of exchange, it is called usance. When immediate payment is given, it is called sight. When acceptance bill of exchange is presented, means usance, then the issuing bank or the confirming bank, what do? They accept the bill of exchange that, see, you have presented the documents, they are okay, and we will pay you and so date. They don't pay you immediately because it's a usance bill. Only if the bank is negotiating bank, then it pays immediately or on before date. We'll study that. Then third is deferred payment. Deferred payment means B part. Deferred payment means there is no bill of exchange involved in it. Those LCs which do not have any bill of exchange involved are known as deferred payment LCs. Then what does the issuing bank do? The documents are received by them or the confirming bank, both. The documents are received by them, then they check the documents, and if they are found to be correct as per the terms and conditions of the LC, then they undertake the deferred payment undertaking. It means they tell the presenter, it can be any bank or the beneficiary, they tell the presenter that, see, your documents are correct, and as mentioned in this bill in this LC, will pay you and so date. There is no bill of exchange involved in it, and in remaining means in usance there is bill of exchange involved and the future date. There the stamping is given, means it's not stamping always, even the acceptance SWIFT is okay. So but logically acceptance means there is a stamping on the bill of exchange that we accept this bill of exchange. Nowadays these terms are gone due to the SWIFT. What is negotiation? Negotiation means purchase by the nominated bank of drafts drawn on a bank other than the nominated bank. Remember this. If the draft is drawn on the same bank which is purchasing, then it's not negotiating, then it's honoring. Got it? Anything which is presented to you, and if it is drawn on you, you are not negotiating it, you are honoring it just. Negotiation means someone else's document you pay or agree to pay. That is the meaning of negotiation. Means you accept the draft drawn on some other bank, and then you pay or agree to pay. Now by advancing or agreeing to advance, remember these two words. Advancing is okay, agreeing to advance means what? The negotiating bank can pay today itself or on or before the due date, any date in between. That is also called as negotiation. Now if the bank is only nominated bank, then it may or may not honor or negotiate. But if the bank is nominated plus confirming, means it has given a confirmation to the documentary credit, then it has to honor or negotiate, whatever the case may be. But both these things are subject to complying presentation. If the documents are complying, only then the two things would be done. Then the nominated bank has to forward the documents to the issuing bank once it has done the honoring or negotiation. So keep studying and keep watching these videos. You can download this app from Play Store. Also you can get with explanations questions.